Get single elements from nested list based on index position indecated of the value in a second list. As last part of a bigger project, here is what I am trying to solve. I have a list of lists of which I need to extract exactly one element based on the value of a second list. The values in B indicate the positions of the elements in the sublists. Also, the index in B is the true for the index of elements in list A. The result I am looking for is I have tried many versions of this, but as a result I get a list over all elements of all lists looking like this.
By using nested loops, you are combining every element from A with every element from B. What you want is pairwise iteration, using zip. This is roughly equivalent to
or example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.